I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're really looking to silence those pesky notifications on your ZIP 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the main menu and find the Settings app. This is where you'll manage all your device preferences. Step 2. Select Notifications. Once in Settings, scroll down and tap on the Notifications option. This will take you to the Notification Management section. Step 3. Choose the app. Find and select the specific app for which you want to turn off notifications. This could be any app that has been bothering you. Step 4. Toggle off notifications. Look for the toggle switch that says Allow Notifications. Flip this switch to the off position. Step 5. Confirm changes. After toggling off, make sure to exit the settings and check that notifications are indeed silenced. You might want to test it by sending a message from that app. Now you can enjoy some peace and quiet without those interruptions. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.